Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. How are you guys doing? Please check out this beautiful short hairstyle that is really a showstopper on its own. One thing about the style is that it's a style that is always on trend, and it's a style that will make you look so elegant. Take a good look on this beautiful haircut and see how appealing and playful it is on this beautiful woman. It's a style that will take many years off your age, and you can try using one of the best touch of some texturizing oil that will help to give your hair that shine you really need. I love this haircut. You can see how this hairstyle is just so beautiful. It's a hairstyle that will really make you look so gorgeous, and it's a style that is versatile. So this is a style that we there's a wash and go, and will even make you look so beautiful and stunning. So you can try this haircut because you can see how it's a style that's great for women that have thin hair, because it will add volume to your hair and it will help for a healthier tresses and a put together look. One thing I love about this style is a style that is ideal for women that have oval and round face. It's a style that is simple but elegant, and it's a style that will always cater for all ages. This is a beautiful style that really works well for older women, because you can see how it doesn't require those special care. It's a style that is ultra modern, and one thing about the style is that it's a code that beautiful women out there really want, because it will bring the styling game to a whole new level. So I would like you guys to just unleash that creativity in your styling yet again. Don't forget to subscribe if it's the first time here on this channel. Hit the like button and hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video, and let us know your minds in the comment section below. God bless you guys, and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.